Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a rocket stove. So my version of this rocket stove is a modified version, and I'll show you why I have modified it as well. So I'll show you the traditional way of making this rocket stove that I've seen on YouTube, and the flaw that I found, and how I have modified it for a better effective rocket stove. So first I'll show you how to make the traditional one, and then how I have modified. So let's get to the video. So I've placed 4 tiles. So on top, now I'm going to build the stove over this. So first we place 3 bricks in line like this. 3 bricks. Okay. Then there's one more brick here. And to this end we place a broken one. We break half a brick and we take this half and place it there. Now we remove this brick off. So this is the first layer. So after the first layer we need to place a metal mesh kind of a thing. You cut it according to this size and place that on top of it. Now as you see, can you see this half brick is on this side. Therefore we place the full brick starting there. Then another brick on this side, another brick this side, and the other half that we have on this corner. Okay, place it there. So the second layer is done. Now we are going to do the third layer. So this is the connection. So we place one full there. Then this goes here. Another one here. See, can you see how it is placed? You don't have to worry, it will stay. It will stay. It's not connected, but it will stay without a problem. And the fourth one here. So this is the, as you can see, this is the third layer. This is the third layer. Now we have to build it up. So first layer, second layer, and now we have the third layer. So this is the final finished version of the traditional way of making the rocket stove. Okay, so as I said, that there is a small flaw. The flaw is these are 2 firewood. Now we have to place this firewood inside this gap. Can you see this small gap here? Not underneath, but above the metal mesh. So we have to place it here like that. So it is very difficult actually because there is no space to place lot of firewood and get the enough fire burning. So So my version is a modified version of the real rocket stove, but which is effective. So I'll show you that now. 5 tiles just to protect the floor. If you're doing it on the ground, that's fine. Now again, same way, place 3 bricks like this. Okay, 3 bricks, then 1 more brick, and a half a brick on this side. That is the level, and you remove the middle brick. Okay, we remove the middle brick. Same way, iron mesh, you place it here, and you place. Always remember where to start. You start because this is the half, this is the full brick. So on top of that you place a full brick. Okay, then you place it there and that way. Okay, place that other half here. Now the second layer is over. Now the third layer is 1, 2, 3, and another half. Can you see? This is the third layer. So the difference is, from the traditional one, I have increased the height of this gap, so you can put more firewood. So the third layer is done. Now we are going to build the fourth layer. Modified version of this is my version. So as you can see, there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 layers. So you can build even more or even stop at 7 layers. And now over this you can place a gas cooker, whatever you call this, on top, and we can place a pot and cook like this, and put some firewood at the bottom like this. You can light it here, and your rocket stove is done. I hope you guys like this video, and I found this video very informative. Try this rocket stove out in your backyard. in Sri Lanka, especially now with all this gas problem and all that, I think everyone, this will be very useful in your backyard. This requires very less firewood or any kind of fuel. Few firewood or some coconut shells. You can put that, little bit of kerosene, and you can get this rocket stove going. Try it out and do let me know how you liked it, and if any other modifications, anything of that sort, do let me know in the comment section. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. This is your Vick signing off. Bye.